In this video, I'm breaking down 3 main reasons why Kajabi funnels don't convert and how you can fix it. Hi, I'm Shauna with Effortless Launch, and I help course creators and service providers set up the tech and automations for their Evergreen funnels hosted on Kajabi and MemberVault. So reason number 1 is that your page design and copy are confusing potential buyers. A lot of sales pages are missing the mark because the design and copy don't guide the reader through the page. The design of your page should help readers flow from one section to the next, making it easy to understand what you offer and how they can take the next step. Oftentimes, I notice that the messaging is unclear. There's too much text crammed together in like a big paragraph, and the layout isn't optimized for both desktop and mobile. Also, if the colors of your text and background are too similar, it can strain the eyes of your potential buyers. You want clear contrast so the people who land on your page can focus on the message and not have to squint to read it. So remember that copy and design work together to guide someone step by step to take the next action. So if either one of these are off, people are going to click away. Reason number 2 is your funnel setup is costing you sales. So sometimes the problem isn't your offer, it's because the tech isn't working properly. So for example, if you have broken links or your call to action buttons aren't taking people to the next step, they can't complete the purchase for your offer. Every click in your funnel matters, and when something isn't working properly, it's going to cost you sales. The easier it is for someone to buy, the higher your conversion rate will be. Reason number 3 is not testing your funnel before you launch. Even when everything looks ready, skipping the testing phase can hurt conversions. You want to walk through your entire funnel like a real customer would. Opt into your lead magnet. Make sure the first email in your sequence is triggering at the right time. Let's say you're hosting a webinar on Kajabi. If the double opt-in feature is still turned on, your leads won't get the confirmation email until they verify their email address. And that small detail can cause people to miss the webinar if they don't complete that extra step. Also, do test purchases to confirm there's no friction when submitting payments. When you don't test your funnel, you can't see what your audience is experiencing. There are so many small issues that can cost you conversions at various stages of your funnel. Testing is what's going to give you the confidence to know that everything is working properly. And it's one of the easiest ways to avoid missed sales and deliver a seamless experience for your buyers. If you're ready to map out an evergreen funnel that actually converts, click the link in the description to book a call and learn more about the Evergreen Clarity Plan. And I'll help you take the first steps in building a high converting funnel that actually converts on Kajabi.